Hey guys, Terry here. I wanted to show you the setup of the new area. It's not completely organized the final way I want it, but I wanted to at least show you my crafting space. We're moved, the puppies are adjusting, and we kind of have the house set up. We've been here about a week now, and it's coming along great. So excited. So I'll just show you the downstairs. I'm up in the loft, which is where the master bedroom is. And that's the living room. It's not real bright. I'll have to make a video during the day and show you what it looks like. There's the kitchen and the dining room. But then you come up the loft and it's got the master bedroom, and then this is it's probably, I don't know, 10-foot by 12-foot area. It's not walled in, it's just got, a banister, and I've put my IKEA cabinets on their side. I like that because I can use the top surface there. In my old craft room they were standing up, so I love the versatility of those. And I've got the drawers set up, and I've got a lot of stuff everywhere. But I do like that I've got the shelving unit up. My paper that was in the closet, I had the luxury of having a closet before, so now it's just out in the room. So I've got paper set up, I've got stamps there. Just planning on still whittling stuff down, keeping what I use. But you can see I've got my table set up and my Alex drawers. And that window there and the side window, during the day I'll have to make a video and show you the view. We're in the woods, and it's just an incredible view. There's a pond outside across the street, so it's all really cool. And then I was able to include my tall table. I didn't think I was going to have this set up here, but there's actually enough room for everything. You can see how open the stairs and everything is. Over there I've got a stash of stuff that was in that closet, all the memorabilia and stuff that I want to get put into the kids' scrapbooks. We've set up the scrapbooks downstairs where people can pull them out and get to them. But I think I'm going to have a lot of room for my Cricut and Brother Scan and Cut, tools that I use, all my scrapbooking supplies, and then again there's the Big Shot, some books that I kept. But yeah, I'm just in love with the space, and couldn't wait to show you guys. So I'm going to keep organizing it and making it more useful, but just loving the setup. Thanks guys.